Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing well. Today we are looking at a printer that aims to be the ultimate home office sidekick, the Canon PIXMA TR4755I. If you are tired of running between machines or constantly worrying about ink, this 4-in-1 might be the solution you need. Let's break it down and why. This printer is 4-in-1 workhorse. First, it is a truly all-in-one. You can print, copy, scan, and even fax directly from your office. Smart and connected. This is a smart Wi-Fi printer. You can print from your smartphone, computer, or tablet using Wi-Fi, Apple AirPrint, or the Canon Print app. No cable is needed. At the same time, you can also connect this with a USB cable or Wi-Fi direct. This printer is productivity booster. You got ADF, automatic document feeder. That is a 20-page automatic document feeder. You can scan or copy multiple page documents. Plus, it has automatic double-sided printing to save you time and paper. This printer uses ink cartridges 575 black and 576 colored. It uses Canon fine cartridge system. Here is the main big feature. It is compatible with PIXMA printing plan. This is an optional subscription where ink is shipped to your home automatically before you run out. It is not compulsory, but it is a great option if you hate last-minute ink runs. Otherwise, you just buy the cartridge normal. This printer is also photo ready. It also prints borderless 4x6 photos and has creative apps for projects. You also got 2 years guarantee with this printer. Printing speed, print 8.8 print per minute for black and 4.4 print per minute for color. Auto two-sided print and borderless photo print. We're going to unbox this printer, check it out, and see what is inside. This is the power cable, 3-pin power cable. This cable is for Ethernet port, information pack, accessories, so these are the ink cartridges, 575 black and 576 colored one. Also got another power cable and Ethernet cable included. This is the scanner, flat bed scanner. You load the paper to the bottom casket. This is the ADF automatic document feeder. If you have any paper jam Check for any paper jams and debris here. Hold the spring together to close it. The power cable goes to this port and the USB cable goes to this port. Then lining and the extension line goes to this port, USB on top of this port. But the USB cable is not included in the packaging. The ink cartridges holder, they are currently on the center for you to load the ink. So the colored one goes to the left, on the right is the black ink. So this is what we got here. These are the stuff included in the packaging. The printer itself, 2 power cables, cartridges, black and colored one, and also the cable. And this is the ADF for you to print, duplex printing, double-sided. And also you can stay connected in the cloud with Canon app for scanning directly to cloud service, and plus you get creative with easy photo print editor for custom cards, collages, and stickers. So these are the key features in terms of the paper handling. 100 sheets of paper goes in here to the bottom gasket. So who is this for? It is ideal for home office, a student, or small family. If you need reliable printing, scanning, copy, or maybe the odd fast, this is a strong contender. So Canon PIXMA TR4755I packs a ton of value. Strong connectivity, great home office features, and that flexible ink subscription option. This product deserves your attention. Thank you very much indeed.